Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at my first ever Wish.com order. And I saw this, let's see, it says the order was placed on March 30th. And you can see a little picture of a laptop here, and it says ultra thin quad core laptop, 14-inch screen display, 1366 by 768 pixel, 4GB memory, 64GB, I was going to say hard drive. And it says color is black, $10. But that's because I was buying 10 of them. So yes, this 14-inch laptop was $1. And if we scroll down here, it says item total, $10 for 10 of them, $10 to ship. So $20 total, supposed to get 10 laptops. And my laptops arrived yesterday. So I want to show you guys the laptops I got. Alright, are you ready to see what 10 $1 laptops from Wish.com look like? I wasn't sure what to expect. I mean, it's only $1. I know China has some cheap shit, but I don't know how cheap their shit is. But that's 10 14-inch laptops with a 64GB hard drive, whatever the hell else it said. So let's open this thing up and see what is actually inside there. I melted a little bit. I used my heat gun to black out the label. So 10 laptops is actually ten of these guys, which I think, it doesn't say what it is, but I think that's just a cord organizer. Maybe? I actually have no idea. There's some green, some black. How do you open this thing? Doesn't look anything like a laptop. And I think paying $1 for this, I got screwed. It's not even a good deal. So it's got a little peely, sticky thing on the back. I'm pretty sure that's to organize cords, like along back of your computer or something, you know? Or maybe an entertainment center. I don't know. Definitely not a damn laptop. I guess I can give these away for free to eBay buyers? I don't know. Well, what can you expect for $1? Now if we click here on the picture, we can get back to the original listing to see all the details. And it says, oops, this product is under content review by the Wish team. Please stay tuned. So, I guess I need to go figure out how I get a refund. Thanks for watching, guys.